Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Math Textbook 2019 onwards. Exercise 4.2, question number 5. Find the value of 2 cos inverse half plus sin inverse half. Question number 5. First one, 2 cos inverse half plus sin inverse half. Let cos inverse half equal to x and sin inverse half equal to y. First, cos x equal half, which is equal pi by 3. Sin y equal to half, then your cos pi by 3, sin y is half, which is equal sin and sin pi by 6. Here, first, here which is in limit, that is pi by 3 is an element of the domain minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. No, 0 to pi. Here first cos is 0 to pi, and here pi by 6 is an element of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 for the sine. Therefore, now we can say 2 cos inverse half plus sin inverse half equal 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 6 equal 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 6, which is equal 6 is an LCM, that is 4 pi 2 into 2 pi plus pi, which is equal 5 pi by 6. So we got the value. Here, next question, cos inverse of half plus sin inverse of minus 1. Second part, cos inverse of half plus sin inverse of minus 1. Here, let cos inverse half equal x and sin inverse minus 1 equal y. Here, which gives cos x equal half, which gives cos x equal cos pi by 3. Like that, here sin y equal minus 1 Here the domain, since pi by 3 is an element of 0 and 1. Now sin y equal to minus 1. Therefore further you can write sin y equal minus sin of minus 5 by 2. Here sin pi by 2, that is minus 1, sin y equal to minus 1. Therefore this sin y equal to minus sin pi minus 5 by 2. Therefore which gives, therefore you can say now we can say here 5 by 2 is an element of the domain of sine function, that is minus 5 by 2 to positive 5 by 2, negative 5 by 2 to positive 5 by 2. Therefore we can say y equal minus pi by 2. Now we can say cos inverse half plus sin inverse minus 1 equal x plus y. Here x is, we got x is, you got x values is pi by 3, x equal to pi by 3, x equal to pi by 3 minus y equal pi by 2 minus pi by 2, LCM is 6, 2 pi minus 3 pi, which is equal minus pi by 6. Now question number 3, third, cos inverse of cos pi by 7 cos pi by 17 minus sin pi by 7 into sin pi by 17. Third part of the question. Let us write the question first. Cos inverse cos pi by 7 cos pi by 17 minus sin pi by 7 sin pi by 17. Here cos inverse here the formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Let us write first the identity. Cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. From by using this identity you can say cos inverse of cos pi by 7 into cos pi by 17 minus sin pi by 7 into sin pi by 17 is cos of pi by 7 plus pi by 17. Here LCM of 7 and 17, 7 and 17 is 119. Therefore we can say cos inverse 119 is here it comes here the 119 divided by 7 and multiply with here 24. Now here then 119 divided by 7 is 1 3s are 1 7s are 7, then 4, that is 17. Here 17 pi plus 7 pi. Cos inverse of cos 119, 17 pi plus 7 pi equal cos inverse of cos of 24 pi by 119. Here since 24 pi over 119 is an element of 0 to pi. Therefore we can say cos inverse of cos 24 pi over 119 is 24 pi by 119. Given value, given function have this value. Next we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.